YouTube channel. I am here today to show you a really quick and easy meal to make for the Daniel fast. This would be really great for lunch or for dinner. You can make a big batch of it and it would sit well in the fridge for a couple of days. So let's go ahead and get started and jump in. First thing that you're gonna need is a good curry sauce, and definitely find one that's vegan. If you guys happen to have a Kroger store near you, I am not kidding when I say this one's so good. So I'm gonna do this in a pan. I have actually already added some beans for protein. I am going to add some of this, a bean sprout, some baby corn, and then I'm gonna add some fresh vegetables to it as well. And I'm gonna serve it over some rice. It's gonna be really good. And let me go ahead and get started and let's make it together, okay? Woo! So a great thing about a dish like this is I feel like you can literally toss any veggies into it, a can of beans, and pineapple or mango or something like that, and it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna let this sit on low for a while just to kind of soak in the flavors and cook up the veggies and stuff, but it's gonna be so good. Yeah, so I'm gonna check back with you guys when this is done cooking, and you're gonna wanna make this on the fast. That's all I can say. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, you guys, the curry is done. It smells so good. I'm gonna show it to you right now. So good. Okay, a few things I wanted to share is, one, a great tip for the Daniel fast is to have rice made ahead of time. I tend to cook it in batches and I'll just store it in the fridge. As soon as I run out, I make more. Just because I think that especially the first few days, extra hungry sometimes, or you're not feeling good, or really tired. That's a side effect I've noticed from fasting, is I get really tired. And so just make your life easier, make that stuff ahead of time. But yeah, this particular dish I have made, I think, almost every year since I've done this fast, and I've done it for 5 years, and it's one of my favorites. I look forward to it. I really only eat it when I'm fasting because normally I do Weight Watchers and curry is kind of high in points. So just not something I typically eat. So I really, really savor and enjoy it in these moments. Ta-da! Ta-da! You guys, this would be on like a salad plate as just a portion idea. I probably have a cup or so of rice, and then I just scooped on a ton of this curry, and it's gonna fill my belly good. So anyways, I'm gonna put the directions for how to make it down below, so make sure that you guys check that out. Go make it on the fast. You won't regret it. If you guys have any questions in general about the Daniel fast, set that down. If you guys have any questions about this recipe or about the fast, feel free to ask. I do my best to get back as quick as I can. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. It means so much. Be blessed with the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.